Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about if conditions. If condition will give you the logical statements in Excel. If the condition is satisfied, it will give one statement. If the condition is not satisfied, it will give another statement. We have so many types of if conditions in Excel that we will discuss in series of videos. Please do watch all videos to get more knowledge on if conditions. This is Veeru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. In our previous video, we already discussed how if condition will work. If the statement is having more than multiple conditions, then if condition will not work. There we have to use if and condition. Then see how here how we can use if and condition. If the student is crossed in all subjects more than 60, then only he pass or else he fail. If bracket start and bracket start, in English he has to score more than 60, comma, in maths he has to score more than 60, comma, in science he has to score more than 60. Close the bracket, then only he pass or else he fail. Close the bracket. Press the enter. See, Krishna is not scored more than 60 in all subject. He scored only more than 60 in English only. That's why he failed. Hope this video will helpful for you. We will discuss more if functions in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.